How to fix mobile number required on Modern Warfare 2. Hey everybody! If you're getting this kind of message on your screen on your Steam when you're trying to access Modern Warfare, you may follow up the steps. So if you're directly getting this kind of notification on your screen, you can directly head over to your Steam account from here and do so. Otherwise, you can head over and open up Steam first. And once you open up your Steam, from this given interface, locate up the Steam icon at the top left, click on it. And from here, you can head over to settings, open it up, and your Steam settings opens up. Now, what you can do from here is head over to account details, click on it, and it will lead you to the page where you will be getting your contact info. Right now, you can see I have my email address, which is already verified, but if you have not added phone number, here you will be getting that option. So you can just go ahead and verify your phone number in order to fix that error. You can head over to add a phone number option on your screen, and here it will give you option to add up a phone number. So you can just go ahead and add up a phone number here, for example, something like this, and you can select up a country code from where you belong. You can drop this option and select up a country code. After that, click on next. And then once that is done, you need to check your email to confirm that it is really you. You can click on next and it will send you an email. So you can head over to email for that. And then you should be finding this kind of interface. You can look out for verify my phone number instead of email address. And you just need to go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions in order to do so. And once your email address is verified, you will be finding your Steam account not having that issue and you being able to access your game again. And that is it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.